ಓಕೆ, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಷ್ಟ, ಯಾವ ನಟನ ಜೊತೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆಸೆ? ವಶಿಷ್ಠ ಸಿಂಹ ಆಯಿತು, ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆಸೆ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ?
Definitely there is a list, but I would love to soon act with Sudeep sir and Yash. He's like stealing hearts all across the nation. So yeah, I mean they're lovely stars. There's Raksh Shetty here, there's Darshan sir, T-Boss. So I really, what if I get to do a multi-star with Sudeep sir and T-Boss, something like that I'm really looking forward to.
ಓಕೆ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಅಂದರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಒಲವು ಅಂದರೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಪ್ರೀತಿ, ಯಾಕೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆಸೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ? ಕನ್ನಡ ಯಾಕೆ ಲರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆಸೆ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆಸೆ?
So from the day I signed my film, and I have this habit whenever I'm in one industry, I write a lot, I try to understand, read it. So every day it was a learning process. Like throughout 1 year we shot lovely. It was my exam time every day. Like I used to get the script, do that all that underlinings. I used to write one meaning and put it in my modulation, how to say, because again to learn it from scratch it was difficult. I would sleep with the script, like literally I would read it and then go to sleep and wake up in the morning, and then first thing I would do is see the script. I would enter the sets with script, and then again my team director Vashishta sir, all the entire direction team would help me a lot. Like I would keep saying, then they would correct me. It's not this, it's not done that way, step. Like, okay sir, right. So it's been this whole process, and I don't know, I feel a blessing that I'm getting to learn all of this language through that I'm doing films right now. So again ನನಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ.
Super.
I hope that I get there and speak like good perfect Kannada soon.
Super.
ಜಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಬಲ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಲಭ್ಯ. ಸನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ 292, ಜಿಯೋ ಟಿವಿ 1334, ಯು ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ 162, ಸಿಟಿ ಕೇಬಲ್ 51, ಜಿಟಿಪಿಎಲ್ 17, ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಕೇಬಲ್ಸ್ 821, ರಾಕ್ ಲೈನ್ ಟೆಲಿಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ 51, ಶ್ರೀ ಬಸವೇಶ್ವರ ನಂಬರ್ 60, ವಿನಾಯಕ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 53, ಇನ್ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 896ರಲ್ಲಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮಿಷ್ಟದ ಜಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಆನಂದಿಸಿ.